Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer photos and videos from iPhone to Android phone. Alright, let's begin. First, open Chrome or Safari on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Zappia Transfer and click on the first result. Once the website opens, tap the Upload button. Select the photos and videos you want to transfer. The great thing about this method is that there's no file size limit, so you can send as many photos and videos as you like in one go. After selecting your files, click on Start. The website will then generate a shareable link for you. Copy this link and send it to your friend or family member using any messaging app or social media platform. On the Android phone, the recipient only needs to open the link. From there, they can download each file directly. Once downloaded, all the photos and videos will automatically appear in the Android devices gallery, ready to use. So that's basically how you can transfer photos and videos from iPhone to Android phone. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.